Hey, what's up you guys? Jay Styles, all things styles. Welcome to another video. If you guys are new here, go and subscribe to the channel. Those who are returning, as always, thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. So today for you guys, we got sublimation. And for the purpose of the video, we'll be using this 100% polyester for the sweatshirt, as well as these sweats, which are also 100% polyester. And as you can tell, these are both going to be darker garments. So therefore our design will be black, as colors do not show well on the darker items. If you guys are not familiar with the color spectrum, you guys can Google a chart, sublimation color chart to be exact, and you guys will know exactly what I'm talking about once you guys get to that chart. So as always, the desired temperature for sublimation is going to be 400 degrees for 60 seconds. We'll be needing a few items for today's project. Our press pillow, because our sweats do have a seam. As always, our handy dandy lint brush. Most cases we do use heat tape, but for today's purpose we won't be needing it. Last but certainly not least is your butcher paper. You can use parchment paper, copy paper, just no wax paper. So once again, our press, 400 degrees. We'll get our item on the press situated, get you guys in and out. You guys can enjoy the rest of your Friday. TGIF, by the way. Okay, so our press has reached 400 degrees. We're going to go ahead and grab our sweater. And now when dealing with a hoodie, you want to tuck your hoodie in the back of the press. Give it a slight pre-press. .400 degrees, 60 seconds. So how's it going for you guys? You guys got big plans on this Friday night? That's what's up. For myself, Fridays are normally dedicated towards football, you know, Friday Night Lights. Once again, 400 degrees, 60 seconds. And here we go with the finished product. Once again, this has been J Styles. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Catch you on the next one. And you guys be kind to each other.